Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to install a cabin air filter in a 2016 Ford Transit. This is a Ford Transit XLT350. This is a 15-passenger van, and the US model does not come with a cabin air filter installed. If you try to buy a cabin air filter from your local parts store, you might not be able to find a listing for one because it does not come with one from the factory. So like most vehicles, the cabin air filter is installed behind the glove box. There's these two little tabs right here that you just need to press in with your fingers, and that will allow the glove box to drop completely. And then this opening right here is where you would put your cabin air filter. Now, when I looked into this online, I thought, well, yeah, there's the opening for it. That makes perfect sense, but it doesn't come with it. I'm sure there's a reason. I don't know if it was just to save money, if it maybe cuts down too much on the airflow to cool down the entire van. But I've read other people that have successfully used this, so I thought I would give it a try as well. Now, I picked this one up on Amazon first. This is by Air Technique. It's part number CF11743. The reason I chose this one is because it mentioned the Ford Transit in its description. And the Amazon tool where you plug in your vehicle suggested that it would fit. And you can see it's got the direction here of airflow going down, which is correct. I went to go put it in and it just doesn't fit. I tried several times and it will not fit. It won't clear this little lip. Grabbed a tape measure and measured it, and you can see it's about 1 3/16 in the thickness. The opening here with this little ridge or ledge right there is 1 inch. If you move over, it's about 1 1/4 inches right through here and on that edge. And I suspect you can force it past this maybe a little bit to get it to work. Let's try. If I pull this down, I still can't make it fit. So I just abandoned this one and I picked up another one on Amazon. This is the Ecogard, part number right there, XC11577. Okay, now you can see this one does not have the activated carbon, you know, to cut down on some odor and smell and whatnot. And it's got the airflow printed on here correctly as well, going down. But if you look here, if we measure this one, it's actually just shy of 1 inch. And let's see, yep, it just slides right in. See, they know that there's this little ridge here, and so they've got this taller edge piece to clear that you can see right there. And there's nothing over here, but you can see that they made the overall filter narrow enough to fit. And then you just put this piece right back in here, clip it into place. To close the glove box, you just have to push in or down on these tabs. Oh, let's put this back in there too. All right, and that's it. I'm going to turn the air on. You can see we've still got plenty of airflow here. So yeah, that actually did not really cut down much on that airflow at all. Now, not a sponsored video or anything like that, but happy that I found one that would work. And I'm very happy with the airflow. I thought it would have cut down more than that. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up the same air filter as well. And of course, I'll update the video if I have any issues, but for right now, that airflow seems like it's working just fine. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.